Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the most mysterious and tragic accidents in American aviation history. Tenerife Airport Disaster, 1977. Two planes collapse with each other dangerously in foggy weather. On March 27, 1977, aviation history witnessed a tragedy that would forever change the way airports operate. Two giant Boeing 747 aircraft arrived at Tenerife Airport, unaware that they were heading toward the deadliest accident ever recorded in aviation. That morning, thousands of passengers around the world were beginning ordinary journeys. The two aircraft involved were operated by KLM and Pan Am, two of the world's most respected airlines. The original destination was not Tenerife. Several aircraft were diverted to Los Rodeos Airport after a security incident closed another airport nearby. This unexpected change created a dangerous situation. As more aircraft crowded the small airport, thick fog began covering the runway. Visibility became extremely limited, making communication between pilots and controllers more difficult. After waiting for hours, the KLM aircraft prepared for takeoff. A series of misunderstandings between the cockpit and control tower created a chain of events that would lead to disaster. At 5:06 p.m., the KLM Boeing 747 started its takeoff roll through the thick fog, but the Pan Am Boeing 747 was still on the runway. Within seconds, the two aircraft came face to face with a disaster that could not be avoided. The collision created a massive explosion and fire on the runway. The impact became the deadliest accident in aviation history, changing the future of airline safety forever. Emergency teams quickly arrived at the scene. Firefighters and rescue workers fought through the smoke and darkness, searching for survivors and helping those who could be saved. Investigators from around the world studied every detail of the accident. They examined communication records, weather conditions, and decisions made inside the cockpit and control tower. The cockpit voice recorder and flight data information revealed important details. Investigators discovered that communication problems, visibility issues, and misunderstandings played major roles in the tragedy. After Tenerife, aviation authorities introduced major safety improvements. Better communication rules, standardized phraseology, and improved cockpit procedures were created to prevent similar disasters. 583 people lost their lives that day, leaving families and communities with unimaginable loss. Their memory continues to remind the aviation world about the importance of safety. The Tenerife disaster was one of aviation's darkest moments, but its lessons help make flying safer for millions of people. Every safety improvement today carries a reminder of those who were lost. Thank you for watching this aviation documentary. If you found this story informative, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more real aviation stories, historical events, and incredible moments from the world of flight. Your support helps us bring more detailed documentaries to you. Until the next story, stay curious and keep exploring.